Hi guys, do you need access to clean healthy water? Are you tired of filling up the water bottles? Does your fridge is stocked with water bottles during hot climate? Do you feel challenged to boil water during winters? How can you decide the type of water dispenser which is right or not? Then, this article is for you. Having water dispenser is what you need in order to overcome the above challenges. However, choosing the right kind of dispenser is a bit challenging. The quality of water is deteriorating day by day in present world. Therefore, having a water dispenser provides access to clean, safe drinking water. So, let's get started. Number 10, Water Bottle Pump USB Charging. This water dispenser is here with the 84% price off. Now you can get it at around $3. Are you tired of struggling with heavy water bottles or spilling water while trying to pour from them? A new solution is here, the water bottle pump with USB charging and auto switch. This handy device lets you dispense water from a bottle with just one click, using an electric pump and an intelligent sensor that ensures convenient and hygienic drinking. How does it work? Simply charge the water pump with a USB cable, which takes about 3 hours for a full charge. Then, attach the pump to the top of a standard size water bottle, making sure it's tightly secured. Finally, press the button on the pump to start the water flow, and release it to stop or adjust the flow rate. The pump can deliver water at a speed of around 1.2 liters per minute, which is ideal for drinking, cooking, or other uses. The next is Number 9, Electric Water Gallon Bottle Pump Automatic Water. This water dispenser is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $12. Do you find it tiring or inconvenient to lift and pour water from heavy gallon bottles, especially if you need to do it frequently or in different places? If so, you might want to consider using an electric water bottle pump, which is a practical and portable device that makes water pumping easy and hassle-free. One example of such a device is the foldable desktop water bottle pump, which can pump up to 19 liters of water from a standard-size gallon bottle with minimal effort. The pump is rechargeable and can be powered by a built-in battery, which lasts for around 30 days on a single charge, depending on the usage frequency. You can also charge the pump with a USB cable, which takes approximately 3 to 4 hours to complete. The next is Number 8, Automatic Electric Water Dispenser Smart Water. This water dispenser is here with the 86% price off. Now you can get it at around $3. Do you struggle with lifting and pouring water from heavy gallon bottles, or find traditional hand pumps too tedious to use? If so, you might want to try the Automatic Electric Water Dispenser Pump, which is a smart and convenient way to pump water from a gallon bottle without any manual effort. This device uses an electric motor to pump water from a standard-size gallon bottle, with a flow rate of approximately 1.2 liters per minute. It also features a smart switch that detects the presence of a bottle and automatically starts or stops the pumping, depending on the water level. This feature not only saves you time and effort but also prevents dry burning or damage to the pump motor. The next is Number 7, Electric Water Gallon Pump Automatic Water. This water dispenser is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $19. Smart 7 Levels Quantitative Pumping Electric Water Dispenser has 2 buttons. Press the switch button to keep pumping water, and then press it again to stop pumping water. Press the capacity button to select the amount of water, then pump water automatically, and you can click the switch button to stop pumping at any time. And detachable design. The water dispenser built-in 1800 mAh USB rechargeable battery for fast charging and long life. Bottom with tray, it's easy to install and removable, suitable for outdoor-indoor use. Note, please place the water bottle lower than the dispenser. The next is Number 6, Automatic Electric Water Pump USB Charging. This water dispenser is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $18. Are you tired of lifting and pouring water from heavy gallon bottles? Or maybe you find it inconvenient to use a traditional hand pump that requires repetitive pressing? If so, you might be interested in trying the automatic electric water pump with USB charging and button dispenser. This innovative device offers a hassle-free and efficient way to pump water from a gallon bottle with just a touch of a button. How does it work? First, charge the water pump with a USB cable, which takes around 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. Then, connect the pump to the top of a standard-size gallon bottle, making sure it's securely tightened. Finally, press the button on the pump to start the water flow, and press it again to stop or adjust the flow rate. The pump can deliver water at a speed of about 1.2 liters per minute, which is ideal for drinking, cooking, or other uses. The next is Number 5, Water Bottle Pump USB Charging Automatic Electric Water. This water dispenser is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. Are you tired of lifting heavy water bottles or struggling to pour from them? A new solution has arrived, the USB charging automatic water bottle pump. This innovative device lets you dispense water from a bottle without any manual effort, using an electric pump and an auto switch for convenient and hygienic drinking. How does it work? Simply charge the water pump with a USB cable, attach it to the top of a standard water bottle, and press the button. The pump will start to suck water from the bottle and deliver it through a nozzle, with a flow rate of about 1.2 liters per minute. You can control the amount of water you want to dispense by pressing the button again or stopping it with a quick touch. The next is Number 4, Kinskoder 1200 mAh Rechargeable Portable. This water dispenser is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. Designed to care for the elderly and children, easy to install, drink water with one click too. Designed with safe material, no toxic and no smell, 304 stainless steel water outlet, health and environmental protection 3. Suitable for pure bottled drinking water, a variety of models gallon barrel with 2.16-inch neck. When you receive the product, please make sure the packaging is intact. Please read the manual and follow the operating instructions before using the product. If you encounter any problems during use, please contact us to explain the problem and provide pictures or videos. We will try to resolve the issue remotely. If the product is still unusable, we can resend or refund it for you. Convenient to use, with a USB charging port, you can easily charge the water bottle at any time. It is very convenient to carry and store when not in use. The next is Number 3, Homdd Automatic Water Dispenser Electric Water. This water dispenser is here with the 29% price off. Now you can get it at around $18. Rechargeable, the water dispenser has a built-in rechargeable battery, which can be charged by power bank or other USB devices. Easy to install and use, the automatic water dispenser is easy to install and disassemble. Just press the button on the top of the bottle, and then you can enjoy your favorite hot or cold drink. Take a look, Homdd Automatic Water Dispenser Electric Water Gallon Bottle Barreled Pump USB Rechargeable Portable Drink Dispenser with Tray. Product property. 1. Homdd is a professional brand. Our product belongs to cold styles like desk type are included in product original from CN. The certification of our product is all, the installation is desktop. The next is Number 2, HiPiCok Water Dispenser USB Water. This water dispenser is here with the 24% price off. Now you can get it at around $13. Designed to care for the elderly and children, easy to install, drink water with one click too. 2 operating modes, 600 milliliters quantitative pumping and continuous pumping 3. Designed with safe material, no toxic and no smell, 304 stainless steel water outlet, health and environmental protection 4. Suitable for pure bottled drinking water, a variety of models gallon barrel with 2.16-inch neck 5. Built-in USB rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, can be used for 30 to 40 days or around 4 to 6 bottles of 5-gallon water once full charged. If your bottle is the standard gallon barrel, please don't remove the bottle cap when you install the water dispenser. The next is Number 1, Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler Water Dispenser. This water dispenser is here with the 2% price off. Now you can get it at around $159. The Avalon Bottom Loading Water Cooler and Dispenser is a highly advanced water dispensing system that offers users a range of temperature settings to meet their needs. This top-quality product is equipped with BioGuard technology, which guarantees pure and safe water for drinking purposes. This water dispenser comes with 3 temperature settings, including hot, cold, and room temperature water. This means you can enjoy a refreshing glass of ice-cold water, a hot cup of tea, or a glass of water at room temperature, all with the touch of a button. The Avalon bottom-loading water cooler is also very easy to use and comes with simple controls that make it easy to operate. So this is the best option for you to buy.